Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm really glad you're spending this moment with us today. This episode is for those mornings or evenings when getting ready feels hard.
And I'm Sam. If you're sitting on your bed right now, not fully ready, not fully resting, you're exactly where you need to be.
Getting ready sounds simple, doesn't it? But some days, even small steps feel heavy, like your body and mind are moving at different speeds.
Yes, your mind knows what needs to be done, but your body just wants to stay still a little longer.
I think everyone has days like that. Days when motivation doesn't show up on time. Days when you feel lazy, even if you're not.
Listener, maybe you're supposed to leave soon. Your clothes are nearby, but you're still sitting there doing nothing.
That moment feels very familiar to me. You scroll on your phone, not because you want to, but because starting feels harder than staying still.
Sometimes we mistake tiredness for laziness, but they're not the same thing. Tiredness needs kindness, not pressure.
I notice this feeling especially when I have to get ready for something routine, not exciting, just something I've done many times before.
Like going to work, or college, or stepping out for an errand you don't really care about.
You sit there thinking, I should move, but your body says just 5 more minutes, and those minutes stretch quietly.
Those 5 minutes feel safe. They don't ask anything from you. They just let you breathe.
Getting ready on lazy days feels slow. Brushing your hair takes longer. Choosing clothes feels unnecessary.
Sometimes you pick the most comfortable thing, not because it looks good, but because it feels familiar.
Listener, maybe you're wearing home clothes right now. Loose, soft, slightly old. The kind that makes you feel less alert, but more yourself.
There's comfort in that. Comfort doesn't always mean you're giving up. Sometimes it means you're listening to your body.
I think society talks a lot about being productive, about being active and motivated all the time. But real life isn't like that.
Real life has slow mornings and heavy afternoons and moments where getting ready feels like a task.
Sometimes I sit on my bed and look at the floor, not thinking anything important, just existing.
Those quiet pauses matter. They're small breaks we don't plan, but we need them.
Getting ready doesn't always start with movement. Sometimes it starts with acceptance, accepting that today feels slow.
Listener, if you're feeling lazy right now, you don't need to judge yourself. You don't need to label it.
Lazy days don't cancel your hard-working days. They don't erase your efforts. They're just part of being human.
Sometimes getting ready means doing things in pieces, standing up first, then maybe walking to the mirror.
You don't have to do everything at once. You don't have to suddenly feel energetic. Small steps are enough.
I like telling myself, just start gently. No rush, no pressure.
On lazy days, even water helps. Drinking a glass slowly, letting it wake you up.
Or opening a window, letting fresh air touch your face. Tiny actions can shift your mood.
Sometimes, though, the laziness stays, even after you're dressed, even after you're ready.
And that's okay too. You can be ready and still feel slow inside. Both can exist together.
Listener, maybe you feel guilty for feeling lazy, like you're wasting time, like you should be doing more.
But rest doesn't always look like sleeping. Sometimes rest looks like moving slowly, like not forcing yourself.
I think lazy days ask us to be patient, patient with our energy, patient with our mood.
They remind us that motivation comes and goes, and we don't need to chase it aggressively. It finds us again.
Getting ready while feeling lazy also changes how we think. We become quieter, more inward.
Thoughts slow down, movements slow down, time feels softer.
Sometimes I wish mornings didn't start so fast, that we had permission to ease into the day, not jump into it.
Listener, if you're getting ready right now, try not to rush yourself. There's no race happening.
You're allowed to take a few extra minutes. You're allowed to feel unmotivated sometimes. It doesn't define you.
Being lazy doesn't mean you don't care. It often means you care a lot and you're tired.
I like reminding myself that effort looks different every day. Some days, effort is doing a lot. Some days, effort is just showing up.
And showing up slowly still counts. Quiet effort still effort. Gentle effort still matters.
Getting ready on lazy days feels less polished, less perfect, but more real.
And maybe that's okay. Maybe that's enough for today. Not perfect, just present.
Listener, wherever you're headed today, go gently. Carry less pressure with you.
If you're staying in, that's okay too. Not every day needs a big plan. Some days just need rest.
Thank you for sitting in this slow moment with us. Thank you for not rushing away.
We hope getting ready feels a little lighter now, a little kinder.
Be patient with yourself today. You're doing better than you think. See you in the next episode.